Good morning. It's Sunday morning in Bartlesville, Oklahoma, Zone 6B, and I wanted to give an update on Ragtag Resilience and thank everybody who signed up for our CSA that is coming in. Well, it will start, I think, late April, early May. But so for those who don't understand a CSA, community supported agriculture, it is so important because what you're doing is you're investing in the future of food in your community. Yeah, you get a good deal on a box. Like each of our weekly shares are going to be in value more than buying that, like the amount in it would cost more if you were buying from us at farmers market. Because you're making an early investment so that we can grow more food. And so community supported agriculture takes the pressure off the farmer. So because all of our costs are upfront, like all our seeds, all our soil, all our compost, all our tools, all that stuff comes out of our pocket at the beginning before there are any prospects of making money. And so to be able to have people rally around us by buying shares as a CSA enables us to purchase those things without overburdening our family. It creates an opportunity where there's a lot of barrier to entry for young farmers that aren't born into it or handed a farm or have a huge capital to pull from. Anyway, so thank you to everybody that has purchased our very limited shares in our CSA, our little farm shares. And we're so excited to bring you the best veggies in Bartlesville as far as unique heirloom, non-GMO goodness and just exotic varieties. Not here with Dash, our kitty. Can I see him? Yeah, he's so cute. Anyways, I wanted to show you what we've been doing. We've been buying loads of compost and more soils coming today. Got our violas kicking, doing awesome. But the front garden beds, they're all done. They're all, well, some of them are seeded, some of them have transplants in them, more stuff will be planted, but they're all laid out as far as mulch, compost, or tallow is finished. We had our first guest, which is amazing. They did exactly what they were supposed to do. They came, they enjoyed it. That thing was broke. Yay, humanity is good. Where it was just neat to see the best of people coming up. We've got kale, bok choy, radishes, peas are coming up and they're looking so good. Another huge, the garlics doing great. We have peas starts that we'll have for sale too. We're also going to be doing elderberry cuttings that we'll have for sale, and all of that. We sell stuff so that we can grow this little urban farm and reinvest in it. But yesterday we went on an adventure to Broken Arrow to get our fruit trees from Green Country Permaculture. Ooh, look at that here. Anyways, look at all this stuff. Yay. Now our house is thrashed. But we've got jujubes, fig, different kind of fig. Oh my gosh, Arkansas black apples, Liberty apples, lots of blackberries and raspberries, and anyways, those little trees there, that's over $500. So this stuff really adds up. All that to say, when you invest in CSAs, when you invest in the future of food in your community, you're making a worthy investment. Gosh, my hair is nuts. And we are working hard to make sure that it comes to fruition and that it's a worthy investment because we believe it is. So anyways, thank you to our CSA members. Thank you to everybody that supports your local food growers and raisers and farmers and everybody else in between. It really does take all of us being committed to having local food, cutting that supply chain so we have actual food security and sovereignty in our communities. And anyways, thank you.